Big drop in temperatures through the western portion of the U.S., and that cold front is heading in our direction. When it gets here, it's going to meet up with the remnants of what was Hurricane Nicole and all the tropical moisture that's pumping toward the valley. Now, this is starting to move inland and getting closer to Atlanta, the center of circulation. That will continue to lift north. We're actually starting to see those radar returns, those showers developing closer to the valley, approaching southern Ohio there. Through the night, I do expect a lot more rain developing, and that will continue to build in our direction. By daybreak tomorrow, we're going to start looking at those showers increasing in coverage, and once those start developing as we get close to sunrise, the remainder of our Friday will have the risk for pockets of downpours that could be a little bit more moderate to heavy at times. Pretty much at any given point through the day, you'll have the chance to encounter showers, and we'll be dealing with cloudy skies. Temperatures still mild. We're still going to get up toward the upper 50s as we go through the late afternoon and evening, still dealing with that potential for swaths of heavy rain. There are some high school football games scheduled to take place tomorrow. If they can get those going, it is going to be very wet out there. 7 p.m. when those games would be starting. We still have steady heavy rain showing over the valley. It'll take until we come up on this time tomorrow for that rain to start letting up and pooling away from the region. So as far as rainfall totals go, this is a look at several models, and you can see those higher ranges showing on here. What I'm expecting out of this, there is some potential we could see closer to 3 inches. Generally, 1.5 to 2.5 inches likely, but where we see those heavier downpours setting up and moving overhead, that's where we have the best potential to get closer to 3 inches. Now, localized flooding can occur. We've been very dry lately. That's going to help us out. Creek beds and rivers, they are running lower, so there's a lot of room for all this water to move. But one thing to keep in mind, if you have clogged storm drains, well, that could allow for localized flooding. I do expect to see some ponding on the roads as well, and especially in areas where the drainage is poor. So keep that in mind for tomorrow. We'll see that rain letting up overnight as we get into Saturday morning. It is feeling much cooler. Temps drop toward the upper 30s, and then they're not going to warm up very much. We have a window where we could see some peaks of sun early Saturday. Into the afternoon, it becomes cloudy, and there's another chance for a few showers, but it is not going to be anywhere near as wet as what we'll see tomorrow. By Saturday night, we start watching for a little bit of lake effect coming in off the lake, and we'll have the chance for some snowflakes around to wrap up the weekend. So tonight, 51 degrees. Showers developing toward morning. That morning commute could get a little soggy. The afternoon, still pretty wet with heavy rain possible at times, and 58 degrees, that high temperature. For your 7-day outlook, well, for Saturday, we drop to 44 for the high, then 36 on Sunday. We'll start looking for that chance for some snowflakes overnight Saturday into Sunday. It stays cold early next week. Upper 30s the highs Monday and Tuesday, and a chance to see a few more snowflakes by Tuesday night and through the middle of next week.